Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this part of the logo and another part that's going to be a little bit more difficult, but I thought I'd go ahead and do this one first. First of all, they've got paragraph boxes, and I can't stand, and I'm just going to get rid of them. I'm going to convert them to artistic text. I don't know if they would even cause a problem, but I've just, and then there's probably a way to delete the I don't use paragraph text, so I'm just going to turn them all. Now, the logo itself, the text is fine, but the logo itself has some trash and some broken up lines you can see right here. So what we're going to do, we're going to take this logo, and even though it's, let's take this page is, let's make our duplicate distance at 10. You need to change your duplicate distance to 0, 0. The nudge distance to 10. And I'm going to nudge that over. So the fire department and the wording will be fine. I'm going to, even though this thing's big, it's all black and white, and I'm just going to go trace it from here. Quick outline trace clip art. And I'm going to trace it, and it traces it pretty good. Because this is a bitmap, and you can see the white background. And you can see all the garbage in the little dots. So now I'm going to go and actually break it apart. And I'm going to take this outline and I'm going to nudge it over. So that left all that garbage behind. If we look, there are 12 objects there. There's really only one, because if we do this, there's only one object. I am going to left click, right click, and I'm going to do a couple of things to clean it up just a little bit. It's not bad. I'd take out those nodes, maybe take out those nodes, and kind of look at it, maybe straighten up some of these lines. But they can do that themselves. There's an awful lot of nodes on these. You can just see it. And this would be a good one to just redraw. And if you took out all these nodes on all of them, and actually then, take out the other ones, this is a good example of turning everything into a line. And I'll show you in just a second. You can see how they're kind of bowing. So if we take now let's take one more out. If we now take all these and right click and turn them into a line, look what happened. Much more straighter, much more better looking. And I would do that, you could do it two ways. You could cut it in half and just do two of them, but you can really tell the difference. Now, once you've got that, take your Smart Fill tool, set on black, and fill that in, and then nudge it over, and now your logo is good and clean and crisp and vectorized. I mean, there's no trash. I mean, if you look again at all that trash, that's going to show up no matter if you're printing or engraving. I mean, if we put a yellow box around it, kind of highlight that, go to object order, back a page. Well, you can't really see them anymore, but there's a lot of trash in there. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.